Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer AB Negative and MoYou London Lace 04. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and then followed by Anchor and Hearts Iron Anchor. Yep, I'm using two bases today, hopefully to avoid staining. And then Bases Loaded Lacquer AB Negative. This is a gorgeous red cream. And look at the formula. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So easy to control, and it's staying up on the nail where I put it. You guys know stuff like this just makes me giddy. I'm gonna cap my free edge here. Such a pretty red. If you need a red cream, this is your jam right here. So we're gonna go in with the second coat of AB Negative. And like I said, these polishes are just amazing. We are going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. Get it to dry down so that I can do some stamping. Sorry, I got out of frame again. I am trying to be better about that. Alright. And here we go. Hi, Woody. Rolling into frame. How you doing? Very pretty. Here is AB Negative on its own. I'll be using the MoYou London Lace Collection 04 today, as well as my AliExpress Cube Stamper and my Maniology Scraper. I've got Braves Diva on the black. I'm going to stamp with black first, and then I'm going to use Bases Loaded Lacquer Scalpel. I just had to see how good this one's stamped. So I decided to use this image right here, and I'm going to do all of the nails the same. I'm going to run that down the center of each nail. And I'm going to do it in black. And then go over it with the silver. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone. Here we go with scalpel. Oh, y'all, this scalpel silver is so pretty. I'm gonna wear it as a straight up manicure too real soon. It's kind of hard to line up this, but I'm doing a pretty good job. There we go. So you got the black and the silver. And depending on how the light hits it, y'all, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna continue on, and we're gonna do this on the other nails as well. Really did like this one. And I liked using this image because it left some really big blank spaces open for AB Negative to still show through real well. And that's what I wanted. I wanted something that I could still see that gorgeous base polish. It's so tricky lining this up. It's because the silver, it just kind of disappears on the stamper. But it shows up so nicely on the nail. Here we go. Roll it, and then roll it back down. Roll it to pick it up, roll it to put it down. I'm not much of a bopper, you know, just straight down stamping. I do try it occasionally when I'm having trouble with a polish or an image or whatever, you know. You gotta try different techniques. Now this one I didn't get quite lined up as well, but it's all good. It still works. Ta-da! And one more. We got that pinky nail to finish. And then the stamping part of this one will be done. There we go. And how about some silver on top? I'll try to remember to link Bases Loaded Lacquer down below. And as far as the stamping plate, I'm not sure what MoYou London has. If you're interested, just Google MoYou London and, you know, find a U.S. supplier if you're in the U.S. or, you know, wherever you're at. Look for a supplier where you're at. Some of these plates are a little older, so they might be still available. I'm not sure. I am going in with a piece of tape and getting up that excess polish. And then I'm going to pop in with my acetone, with the acetone additive to clean up the fine-tune cleanup. There it is. I am going to use the Maniology smudge-free top coat today. I'm going over all of the stamp nails, which are all of them. There we go. And I'm going to finish it off with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Quick Dry Top Coat. And this one will be complete. So excited. I really enjoyed wearing this one. It was a lot of fun. It was really pretty to look at while I was, you know, wasting time. There's my swatch photo. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.